2,
Go.
3. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change the screen on the Samsung laptop computer. It's not very hard. I've already replaced the screen. This is the old screen that was broke. But I'm going to take the new screen back out so you can see just how easy it is. First thing you need to do is flip the computer over. Unlock the battery, take the battery out. This is the model number of the computer we're doing today. NP365E5C-S01UB. Turn the computer back over. You need to take out the 2 little screws in the bottom corner of the screen. This is the housing that holds the screen in. By the way, the only tools you'll need are a small Phillips head, small flat head. I got an extra one if I need it with a magnet to pick up screws, and possibly a pair of tweezers. Okay, once you have those 2 out, take your screwdriver, pop the housing loose, and work your way around the screen. Okay, once you have that done, you have 2 screws here and 4 screws down at the very bottom that you have to take out. These actually hold the screen to the frame of the computer. Okay, once that's done, drop the back off, fold your screen down. Now, you've got a ribbon wire here that plugs into your camera. Take your tweezers and get the little piece of tape off, and slight little tug unplugs it. You come to the back down here where your computer, the monitor actually plugs into the computer. Same deal. Pull the tape back and unplug it. Be careful not to tear your ribbon. Okay, now you got 3 screws on this side, 3 screws on this side that actually hold the screen to the frame. Take those 3 out. and your screen is out. Now, since this is the new screen, I'm going to put it back in. And by the way, this is the first time I've ever replaced a laptop computer screen. Screws are kind of small, so it's a little tough. Holy cow. The screws are so small, it's just hard to get them started. Snug them down. Okay, which had the screen attached back to the frame of the computer. Take your little ribbons. You gotta be careful and line these up just right so they slide right back in. Okay. You have to plug your camera back up. Like so. Now, attach the back plate of the screen to the frame. that attached, place your cover, and it should just snap right back into place fairly easily. Everything's back together. Put your battery back in. I believe my battery's dead, so plug it up. Turn it on. And you have a new screen. Anybody can do it. Not hard. Thanks for watching.